Gonna steal it.
Okay, let's give it some. Open your hand up. Open your hand up. See, it's fast. They're a little cheeky like because they know. What about?
Look, they're following you. Oh, someone got scared of the deer. Uh-oh, daughter. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I know she got scared.
Oh, it's still following.
You're a little scared of it. Come here. Stand like with mommy. Jeg tror, jeg skal op over med. Tak. Jeg vil... Lærke, you want to do it again? Okay, I'll show you. Stand with mommy. Is it licking your fingers? It's licking your fingers. Wow, this is awesome.
Yeah.
You want to do it again? Stand with mommy. Open your hands up. Hands up. Open your hands.
You can pat the deer, sweetie. Pat, pat. Oh, now she's going to someone who has more food. Well, now she's going. Lærke. Other side of the fence, baby. Other side of the fence. There you go.
Du kan ikke række hænderne frem til den, og så tror den, du har noget.
Nu spiser vi. Så kan vi gå hen og sige
Vi kan godt klappe den, Jonas. Bare du ikke tror jeg ikke, du har noget, så har den til.
Mor.
Nej, mor. Jeg helt klappe om den.
Jonas, jeg har allerede prøvet det ikke. Jeg har ikke kommet hen til at
Det er der mange.
Jeg har ikke set ham. Det er ikke.
Hun skulle ikke bange for. Karoline?
Wow, look at all those deer.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Gå hen og sige hej.
All right, let's move on, sweetie.